I'm going to be showing you how to win at Royal Match. So there are some few tricks you can use to win at Royal Match. Royal Match looks simple at first, but as you've probably noticed, the levels get really tricky the further you go. So winning more consistently comes down to a mix of strategy and resource management. What you can do is focus on objectives, not just matches. Each level has a goal, so just focus on the objective and don't waste moves on random matches. The second thing you can do is master special combos. You have special combos like the rocket, which means if you match 4 in a row, it clears a whole row or column. You have the bomb, light ball, rocket plus bomb, bomb plus light ball, and double light ball. So these are some of the special combos. You also need to make sure that you plan a few moves ahead. Just look for opportunities to set up combos instead of making the first obvious match work from the bottom of the board. It triggers chain reactions above. You also need to manage lives and boosters wisely. Make sure you join a team as well. Being in a team lets you request free lives and sometimes win events for extra boosters, and active teams make a huge difference in progressing without spending money. And just take advantage of events. And in these ways, you can successfully win at Royal Match. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video.